What is good, YouTube? You know what it is. It is your mother sucking boy Session. What is good, fuckers? I hope you're having a great day today. What was it? How am I doing? Oh, I'm doing fantastic because my money comes in abundance. My money coming in abundance today. 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 I check my 401k. Hey, God damn. It feels great to be me. You dig? Money comes to me in abundance, and I know for sure, one thing I know for sure is that I have the best Discord in the world. The energy we have in there is the vibration we operating on is totally different than the frequency and vibration you're operating on. It is amazing. We are making money every day, waking up to money. You understand? Waking up to money. So today's video is going to be very simple. It's going to be how to sell an option trade. I've been getting blown up with this question in the comments and in the Discord. How do we sell an option? I'm going to show you. It's going to be a very short video, but I want to pop on the screen 𝙈𝙊𝙍𝙀, a good old marijuana stock and play. I wonder who taught you about it. Me. Okay, so you know, if you're in the Manifestor gang, that we've been talking about 𝙈𝙊𝙍𝙀. It's been beautiful cannabis company. It's been on fire. I got a friend today that made $800, but when you look at 𝙈𝙊𝙍𝙀, you see it's at $18.54 currently. It went up $3. It's at $8. Is it at $18.50 currently? $18.52 currently, and it is up $3.50 on a day. So let's scroll and see what we're doing. You see, I got a little position in there, but you see today, off one contract, I think I might have paid $60. I made $490 off this contract, right? So let's say, okay, we're ready to sell this contract. How do you sell it, Sesh? Well, how I want to sell? I'm gonna show you. Okay, so what we're gonna do is you're gonna go to your home screen, right? Boom, you see us right here on the day. Beautiful price. You're gonna go to your option. You see 𝙈𝙊𝙍𝙀. Click it, and I'm going to press trade. Okay? You see where I press trade? I press sell. As I press sell, you own however many contracts you have or desire to sell, you press it. We have one, we sell it for one. I'm not going to sell it. It's on fire. It's still going. All you would press is review, and then it will go through, and then it would be registered in your buying power. Okay, so it would come up under your buying power on your home screen. And then once you let it sit in there for 1 to 2, 3 days, business days, then it becomes liquid. You can take that cash out and put it into your bank account if you so desire. Or you can stay with us and keep investing, whatever your circumstance is. But that is how you sell an option trade. It is very simple. It is very concise. It's clear cut. Don't be afraid to just try things and ask questions. So I'm proud of you all. I love you all. It feels beautiful to wake up to money because money comes to us in abundance. You understand what this is? This is manifestation. That's what the fuck this is. So I love you all. Make sure you hit the link below. I have all the help you need if you want to set up a call with me. Plenty of you have been setting up calls with me. It's a blessing. Enrolling in the course and really being able to quit that 9 to 5. Okay, that's what you need to do. Get the fuck away from that 9 to 5 and come around and fuck with us, man. We can get you some money, make money in your sleep. You wake up to good energy and money, and then you able to take the play information you know, help your mom, help your sister, help your cousin, help your coworker, your girl, whoever. You're able to help the people around you as long as they so desire to take the risk. So I love you. Until next time, stay lit, stay awesome, and stay healthy. You did.